everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Carla, also known as Littlefitdevil, and today I have brought back a favorite. One of my most viewed videos is from this brand, Speerise. I think that this was one of the first YouTube try-ons that I have done and one of the most popular. You guys should go back into my playlists and check them out. But Speerise is a brand that allows me to do an amazing haul this time around and pretty much every time. And they provide with bodysuits, bikinis, gym wear, dancing clothing. I cannot wait to open all these bags. I mean, you have to buckle up for this one because this one's gonna be a long try on. So I really hope you stick around. Make sure to hit that like button. Let's get started. Okay, this is a two-part situation, but I have to tell you. So all your Speerise items, when you order them, they come with scrunchies. So my goodness, I love these guys. This is all I wear because they don't hurt your hair. Thank you so much, Speerise, for including those. Huge plus. Anyway, okay, so I got this beautiful top. It has like a ribbed fabric. And this is a separate item that matches, but check it out, okay? So if you, let's say, are going to the gym and you want to wear something super sweet, I mean, why wouldn't you wear this? This one is amazing. Wow, I love it. You could wear it on its own. You could wear it with the tank underneath. You know, you can really do a lot of different things with this. I think that you can even wear a bikini underneath. Let's do a quick turnaround so you can see the fit is phenomenal. This looks so beautiful. Really nice fabric. It's super soft. You can open it up all the way. Let's close it all the way and see how that looks. It hugs you in the right places too. Look, the waist to hip ratio. Very, very nice. Are you guys ready for the next one? This one is a Speerise top tier bodysuit. I think that what made that prior try-on so popular was the fact that Speerise offered this incredibly fitting bodysuits. So sort of like athletic style, but high-waisted, sort of retro in a way. And this one's spectacular. And here's why. This is actually a two-piece thing. So we have the one-piece bikini, right, as we would call it. And then we have a bikini top that goes with. So you can get both things, and now you get an amazing set, really cool, different. It kind of gives you the illusion of having a one piece with a little bit of a, you know, a cutout that shows your abs. Perfect. I mean, look where it hits you, right in the waist, like I always say. It's definitely small on the back, but I think it does amazing. I can't even talk. Then you can see a little bit of the bikini top right there. What's not to like? What is not to like? Please let me know what you think in the comments. I mean, I love the color too. I'm ready for more. Let's go ahead and try something metallic. Let's do it. Okay, everybody, this is very similar to what I have just tried on, but look how different the vibe is when we're dealing with metallics. If I were a wrestler, if I was in WWE, I would wear something like this. And I don't know why people don't, because this is so spectacular. Also, what a great rave sort of look, cosplay, photo shoots, things like that. What do you think? Look at the shine on this thing. Okay, and this is why this is slightly different. So remember the other one had a bathing suit top with little strings here? Well, this one is a full-on Bandeau top. So you could potentially wear the Bandeau with something else. What's up, Serge? What? Are you crying? I'm not paying attention to him and he's crying. Look at the back. Still small, right? But doesn't it fit amazing? I think it does. You let me know. This is why we work out, everybody. Okay, I have so much to show you. You guys stick around. If you guys want to see all the different outfits, of course, there's gonna be video chapters in the description of this video. There's also links to these looks. So make sure you check it all out. Let's go ahead and try the next one. Do you guys remember this number from last year? This is how my Speerise bodysuit try-ons have started last year. I had tried on one in red and one in white. The one in red looked like I was ready for Baywatch. This yellow though, I guess I'm gonna have to make you guys vote whether you like the white, the red or the yellow, you're gonna have to go watch my prior videos because you're gonna have to tell me what it is. Retro vibe for the win. Also, you show up to a beach or a pool wearing this, and from the front, it looks like, oh, okay, you know, she's fit, looks great. And then you turn around and you get kicked out of the pool because you look so phenomenal. The color is sick, especially with tan skin. I think bright colors are such an amazing thing. Very, very beautiful. I am in love. What do y'all think? So much more to show you. I'm already running out of breath. Stay with me, let's do it. Here we go again. Look how the light shines on this metallic bodysuit. This one is beautiful. It is like a lighter pink compared to the magenta one that I tried. I love it. It's sort of like silver. The light hits it perfectly. I think it's gorgeous. Okay, so it has a halter top, similar to what you would see in a bikini, like you would tie it up here, right? And then perfectly hitting on the waist as always. Speerise just knows what they're doing when it comes to, like, you know, athletic wear, sort of like this cosplay style clothes that fit you perfectly. You look like a superhero, you know? And then small in the back, signature right there. And then beautiful low back, really, really cute. I think that Speerise does it right because the quality of the fabrics are great, super soft. It really feels like liquid, but also the fit is impeccable. There's another bodysuit that I have been eyeing and I really want to try on. So let's go ahead and try it on. I knew this one was going to be amazing. I love the color, but I also love the style. Check it out. It looks like the bodysuit I have just tried on, right? But it's slightly different. So the neck is clearly a different style. It's like a U-neck. It also fits like a bathing suit. I think this is probably the closest to a bathing suit from what I have tried on, something that you could probably wear at the beach and it will be kosher. So beautiful fit, as we always say with these. Perfect. This one has a lot more coverage, so it's not as high-waisted. The back, you can actually wear these with jeans and it's like a bodysuit, and because it hugs you in the right places and it is so soft, this one would look so, so cute. I love the fit on this one. It gives you like little cheek, but not too much. I have so much more to show you still, you guys. I have been recording for a while and I am not tired. So let's keep on going. Let's switch to metallics again. Okay, I feel like I'm ready to cosplay Nacho Libre. I love it. I love the red. I think it's so cool. If you guys are into raves, if you guys are going to a cool festival, this would be so sick. Even if you're going to like a 4th of July party, you would be definitely the talk of the town. Again, the metallic, look at how the light kind of hits it. It's super cool. This one has a little bit of an extra scandalous cleavage, but because you can adjust it at the top, I think you're safe. I really like that. Then perfectly fitting on the waist, as we already talked about. Shorts this time around, they're not really cheeky because we have a lower back. So, you know, I feel like this is well done. I love the fact that my whole back is open. That's really, really great. Oh, kitty, what's up? Come here. I want to show you to the camera because you've been meowing since I started this. There, see? Everything's good. Hi. Isn't he adorable? Oh, you're the cutest. Okay, so I'm loving this one. I feel like you can go to many cool places and you're gonna look phenomenal. I have 3 more things to show you. Are you guys tired already? Go ahead, grab your coffee and stick around so you can do this with me. Here we have it. Unitard, leotard, long sleeve, shorts, zipper on the front. This gives me green screen vibes. I kind of feel like if you are an athlete of some sort, cyclist maybe, this is super comfy. Really is. It fits really well too. I kind of feel like it hugs you in the right places. And this is very similar to the very first one I have tried on, but with a completely different fabric. This one is sort of like your swimwear fabric. I also feel like these things are very in these days. People wear them out and about, so why not? They look great. They are long sleeve, so you know you can protect yourself from the sun. I think it's really cool. What do you think? What do you think? Let's go ahead and try more things. Okay, last look of the day, and it does not disappoint. Metallic again. This magenta color is phenomenal. I'm living for it. I think it looks great with the tan skin. This one is a proper bodysuit. You could potentially wear it as a bikini. You can potentially wear jeans with it. I think it would look really awesome. It would be kind of like out there for a night out. I think it would be really cool. Really nice neckline because it's really tight. Like nothing is out of place. You know, I really feel like they're lifted. My waist looks incredibly small. Perfect coverage on the front, small on the back, as we already know, because Speerise does these things, and I think it's a good thing. It fits great. So huge win. If you guys liked what you saw today, please go ahead and check out my friends at Speerise. I have all the links in the description of this video. Also, I didn't try it on, but I wanted to show you the first shirt I tried on in burgundy. It also comes in black, which is a classic, a statement piece. So all these things come in so many different colors. Every single item comes with a scrunchie. You guys, look at all the scrunchies I got from all the things that I tried on today. Crazy. Anyway, I really hope you enjoyed it today. If you like what I do, consider liking, subscribing, and commenting on this video. Please turn on post notifications. You can follow me on social media. You can support me right here on Patreon, where I provide early access to most of my YouTube videos, including exclusive photo shoots with a lot of the items that you see me trying on here. A lot of these items are definitely going to be making it into cosplays and potentially lingerie and bikini style photo shoots, so do not miss out. There's free memberships as well, so make sure you at least follow me there. And that does it. I really hope you're having an amazing day, and I will see you guys soon in another one. Bye. Quick snippet. What up, Serge? What?